next video no adan na me man kan che baba se baba enko hospital baba spirit frame no na me ma nti sofo na ukofa baba spirit free baby kro na baba spirit ewu no won se wu Jesus na ntumi anje no minim sofo kro minim sofo kro ba me nse me ka sei ena
baba te say sofo bi na kofa
enye me tie say me baba na communicate
nti baba ka jo say o call ai
me ba man o de me ba tesi an ye free baba mo family house ye ba aha ye won se bebre o wa baba mpese be pie nti be mani mpie
okay
san sem no pe answer de baba se me nka na meka
okay
de baba nka nche me se me nka me nim na be ka kra hwe be ba me dan ma be some question
Ebusiafo aimunya bema limo elikem kwame amagan masa ababium ubetumi aframe efo kent aha Xposed gauge na Xposed gauge there yesi no Ghana and beyond yenya bema Avram Ben Moshe enra ena YouTube video and Facebook live ye ni interview on Kofi TV na ewo Kofi TV so na ye ni interview no na ensensem no tumu say na it is all about baba spirit ewu no because tumu say during interviews na baba spirit here no na oto aseda na what I say or the aseda indirect appreciation e dey ma Avram Ben Moshe a o kire say what na say because enyo wono so a aka bire bia na ne ho bedojo ne ho be ton kakra no na enyo wono a enanu mu na nkofo rezi say na Avram Moshe de ono di anka spirituality fa no ho ben so obi be yale de ono se obi anka nipa obi anya common sense na wo ya common sense a wo di anse wo yale a wa consult hospital ni a show bibie ni wiase bibie ni ho you just serve your God and live your normal life live a free mind de enya se abanfo betuma boa no mama o man na koye na broni kra no sa no ho live ho insoli kra wa brochi kra ya tonton iti ye target na baba spirit kan say mu ya spirituality be on say ana ba me ade onim de opa na e na otumu say interview ni mu no e na oba kire ensem eye ebusuafo me pese mo ma ye kohwe video no ebra na mo nua ba malimo elikem kwame amega don't be deceived sana me meka kire me won sem bi a meka kire o a wo betina se wadwun na ye hu na ai yenkohwe video no
anaju 2 am na baba frame baba si Avram mi wuo na se baba e de na yo si Avram mi wu first question am bisa ye baba what ko hospital si Avram man ko hospital am abre ma me mu se shake bi aye video afa ho se Avram no so common sense no ade na baba spirit frɛ no one kase bracha second video no nya ready ma me why next video no adan na me man kan che baba se baba enko hospital baba spirit frame no na me ma nti sofo na ukofa baba spirit free baby kro na baba spirit ewu no won se wu Jesus na ntumi anje no minim sofo kro ba me nse me ka sei ena
baba te say sofo bi na kofa
enye me tie say me baba na communicate
nti baba ka jo say o call ai
me ba man o de me ba tesi an ye free baba mo family house ye ba aha ye won se bebre o wa baba mpese be pie nti be mani mpie
okay
san sem no pe answer de baba se me nka na meka
okay
de baba nka nche me se me nka me nim na be ka kra hwe be ba me dan ma be some question because me meje sem di so what ma say aha de me gidi no why ba be bisa Adom ko kan baba spirit ni padodo na nim ni real face
yes
ye de baba spirit be gina ha na ye ka che say baba spirit ni a unyi ndida
because be nim no
na baba me ni twa picture no say Avram me mpese obi abeku me nim inti say baba ni face eba beto abonten a emfiri mi ho you have to keep the words of a dying person one rule in life obi wu no bie na no say mi wu a mamu fa mi she fridge me nkwaye champion we say unti spirituality ase so na ebeko so no okọ no oja message inti eduru ba bi na nipa aba be wu a enyo no kase biom nti afei interviews ababa ko nyina baba kasa no mi hu se nya baba na kasa no baba kra mpese obi kra bete se ma kire ni ba bi o ti baba ka chem se Avram me de nyankopon sere wo baby a watch me say me nko no pacha e ma obi ante me ba cha echire no no ano ye den
okay
tablet na baba hu say e wo se oka baba from me 2 a.m. na sim sem no me direct baba na me ma baba number baba frɛ pɛ no say branadwe ya nti baba dan fo police ni a o drive baba no aketua wo benya no ne chankasa de be ma ho baba wadan fo police ni bi na said ye abrantie no sacrifice ne homa baba no waye bi na tu ka na adwene mo de baba koy baba duru ya na omo ye ebisa yesi wewu awie na wo kɔ na wewu awie a e be ka che wo se kɔ kɔ na abewu baba de baba sim sram mo njeme no mo se twɛn aha enye yen ye decide ade consult tumi no na ebisa tumi no gi tumu a omo bisa na tumi ne fai omo se de omo bisa obi onim fo bi ani omo bisa ipe e na tumi ne fai na o se o obetumi save baba
ade ya na o se wawu awie no
wewu yekunu se yekuni wan ka se oba interview ni ade o tumi se baba nye baba na ekɔ no go baba wo ho 1 week 2 weeks baba recover baba wo ye den me wo no mo fra me se Abraham baba si wo ko nam se there be munim say spirituality yam force wo bi
that no di be how many weeks or
no di be mpa say 2 weeks be 2 weeks
ba ye ne nko a ne wo ho
da bla bi nkrofo wo ho
like beto just about ono obi ne koye
ono obi ne koye ah nipa ne ko ne nkrofo ko no makɔhwɛ no and me ko family members na be kra damasia e bi kra hia na mba no ti wo de echire enti baba ho
is a spiritual consultant
they talk from me na friend me kan che me nchiro bi ba bia wo ko fie ko busiem me ye bonsam mo bia me friend me Abraham kira me kwan me nim kwan bi a kira wo na no say dan sen a o de ma wie ni mbra wo
do the
eyi
it did not order for 2 weeks I don't know
close to 2 weeks and I say 2 weeks na da be nya baba na friend me na me nipa ne friend me say baba si wo ko fie
okay
na baba wa ha so bi na friend say on fie ya no mbra ya ka bibi a kire baba crowd ha wo na wo so dai na 2 minutes na ti wa na baba so dai no enya wo bi say wo be so dai na wa beka
okay
no mo say baba wo fie na wo kwa eno anu no wo kwa me frɛ ye biom na me say ebusua spirituality yen for sunipa enye me na me de baba na frɛ me na ma number wo explain no no aso be banche the choice obekwa e no na se na so for no ma baba free ho ende manti e kire baba wa to ne kakra no na okọ interviews a okọ bia no abomidin no
okay sabe no so for no afra ma na wa ba bonten wa free ho
last week ya baba be free mo no se baba free mo Thursday a ofren be 5-6 days before owo
be Saturday and Sunday no mo
be we baba free me ana be a week na baba free me na me free me di pa no se da baba wawu awie wo maku no eye omba
oh
it's been the to car okọ baba nchen okọ hwe no no say it's too late okọ nti baba wo ni nyina de wo mu ano no
well noted and a fine so pa uti Abraham be Moshe nsema a wokekan ya ana nsema a wokekan ya ndra pa e wo Kofi TV so a wakasa wachere na adwen but this is a question je wo ho ene ye na yete wo ene Abraham be Moshe ba out and it become a social media trender and a Kofi TV ya so na debate between them na Ghana for because they feel he was giving us the awakening moment. Now what should I say? Bronia bedada Christosum kra a scam. Christosum a slavery. Christosum a tro. There's a lot of contradiction in the Bible. Now to the extent so many track or say even Kremosu kra put your mukra the sebe. Wamun count. They are all scam. Religion is a scam. Jesus be a new baby. Jesus be a medu anje. Obia oti Ghana hankwa. Fine. Akwa raises a concern no. Osha words ni quotations na odi bana. Na ye ni na ye dream wo say anye bia de boy ken. Ebi mu try the youth, especially the youth, became so concerned. Ye ni na ya start bisa say e den na boy ken de okay de no crow. Ohwe mu kra de okay no kra. Ohwe say and he has all the quotations. Ampa opeso ochimu adwen ene ana wakasa na convince wa He can give you 199,999,10. I actually say the Bible is false. One year careful. And one year careful. You will believe it. In any way, I'll be convinced. Fine. By then, we're back out. I didn't fall for the spirituality. But let me tell you something. Someone near that, and I'm on Soleil. The same can be beach. I'm on Fabi way. Moon dream about this. You look at this. This was a person who came and told us, say, Onipadi also will live your life with common sense. And ye be bia ne ye musem. No body the anko di besom Christ yen fa sebe Christosum don't change. Now yen go back to traditional door no only time with those people if you people all can remember because or say or no say traditionalist. But I know you see the common sense because common sense just say we are here for hospital. Do unya common sense enchire say onye ni nua papa ene nyoma nyoma. Iti obenya eti type for followers. And all he told these people is common sense. Now ene interview ni mutu say ye bisa ne say wo ka kire nkofo say omunsua and omunya common sense. And obi kwa kan say se wo say yensua common sense adan na baba spirit yare ye no wo ma na nko hospital ba wo kire ni baby e ma ne ko e ho no e no no justify e no defend no ho say baba spirit say wa come hospital apem it meaning wo nipa wo ho a na wo bo ko hospital na wo consult na anye yi a baby e wo self fa no e wo self fa because onukwa recently some men of God any nkofobia ye kwan bi say onbema na bodam na wakasi Yesu Kristo ye ana Yesu Kristo ena agenkwa no na bodam na satete so now no onu owo under protection ana wa spiritual bible tio now so before na oye ni shows na oni nkofo kasa no ana o advocate ana o kire nkofo a omutie ni no when to man can't any followers so omumpe bambo na bibi betuma soleti amo o ka cheni nkofo no kwan se omunye den omun use common sense iti when to man can't chom so omun sampe spiritual bambo even though na o condemn Christosum no any kremosum no he was not given any other option for their the followers ni say obi say when persuasion fails force must be applied no it ye common sense e to said ye thing na your common sense na njia what is the other way for one chain followers no it followers ni nam and na Christosum ye kwasiasem use your mind what gain e ye o sa unambu a ko hospital ni ensa yare. This was what he was preaching about and always condemning. But now he was not being able to tell these same people say they should seek for spiritual assistance for their life and protection. One kebi. Okasa in the video na watch say I onu denti okasa che kremofoni Christophone say almost sole almost say obi religion and obi dia osun enye eyenkwasi asem ni bisa o yemfa asem ntu o da ben na Duncan Williams ana otabo be preaching meme ne wo on social media ba ha a mo che say abosonsum yenkwasi asem da they preach about the word and why na Christopher why na ya sole ana Christopher na kremofo edi omusum akosho ne konda senye brai ne ba na obe kire say there is an error da ben na Christo ni akot na say me hwe abosonsum ankofo bi musuma there is an error somewhere so look at this and ye Avram Bemoshe ne bai and obeka kire say there is contradiction with the life we are living in the Christian life and the Muslimic life. Anyone no obeka kire so no ka kire nkofo say Christopher condemn other religions inti and no so kaseti omo no me nua ba wutie me don't be confused. I said don't be confused. A Christopher and Ajia to on say send your all kasa no Christopher na agi ato mo say fine ewo mu se obia ne religion obia ne eku a opese osom fine ono no so ye common sense ono so say oji spirituality di Christopher ben anka so onje spirituality di me na me se me ji Yesu Christo di obebo me ho ban wa hye me bobi claim obi so nya gidie bi se ala ba ye bibia ma no ade na send ono so pese obo ne ho ban no unja ne saa ma ne nye life no pese o live no a wo pese wo convince ne kire ne se dia ono sum no kwase asem se nye pastor na abedina online wo preach about what Jesus Christ can do for us. What again pana Christo ni aka fa bosum bi ho. But this guy always wake up and insult this Christian and all Chomo said this is a contradiction about this and that. And obi ankasa obi anye den enkasa. Well, fine. He is a good youth, a good advocate. Obwa uspese ustedi ushena ubunso on social media platform na okasa politically. He has the wisdom. Adwene wo adwene de ye adwuma okasa fine. But looking at it, let me tell you something. A danu na David bekum Goliath no. Obisa so mo say se me kum na e den na mo de bema me. A Christopher men sum Yesu Christo nkwan se hell nti na obeko ana heaven na obeko we ye die bi ene obambo bi nti na ana kremoni kura wo sum wala ya ma promise bi ye die bi to akire a wo saye kremoni de me pese me kire ni nan se wo bi eye bibia ono ane self interest a obenya na wo hwehwe se Ghana na ene ewiase no obi ehun se opese wo ye popular ana opese wo ye known na wo nye gitaifo a you have to counter something. And no na de feminism by se muni ma feminism e obi na sha ase o iti o ma hu se opese wo ye bibi na wo so ye extraordinary in the society a come and counter something. I'm telling you this, if you want contradiction in the Quran, contradiction in the Bible, you will get it. Kogogo nebo ubenya sisia. Ya be list quotations ni normal. Minya se o sumu Kristo a sumu Kristo. Dia mesa pese me kire ni na ne se Kristofo anamo amoye common sense foi mutie. Papa yi kire se o ye common sense no eto dia di no so o den or consult spirituality. It is the way Christo ni now listen increase in Christ. Ubenya spiritual protection na opena komusa. Oye Muslim now listen emu bi mbedada o. Emu bi mbechire ubibi. Don't let somebody to because the Abramashe kasa na what chile ni nano in a similar way. This was the person who was only just telling you to use your common sense. Then stop following Christ and come and follow common sense. Oh, that is what he was telling you. And now, I see Obia Bantan into a bonny who buy. But mom, your common sense, who you sure so born who buy. Are you really protecting yourself? Only baby about we are no ye be a fucking who say there is another selfish interest attached to it. Yes. O share video no make statement say won say wo sofo na o ka say o di baba spirit. O ko fa na free baby o no won say o ko fa ne bae no o sofo Jesus Christ with me answer baba spirit yare. Question o. Baby e di baba spirit ko e kra ne hoto na at the end of the baba spirit wenwu ana. It abremoche wo so back to you. Aden abusumfo na baby a wo di ne ko e no. Wentumi enya yaresa. But you see, at the end of the day, he wanted to banter something to the man of God. When you're very careful. Hey, you won't me one young copy or name is catch them say, me quadro soon a drone on a course on. Ye jade my Adam for Madame Faba Benyeska. Me quad the anye or quadro a drone can see me near Bema. Pels ukwa, pasoli papa binede, neko. Eduro wa na okọ ni chese okọ peska okọ pan hoto no o se sani udie de kwa asori papa bi na oye den eko adenti na eduro na nkan chese on pan na another solutions excuse. There are moments that obi betuma ko eduro so de obehwehwe na wonya obetuma ko hia so ko obi na de ohwehwe na wonya ebu okra nya eduro nsem obi so betuma ko asolia pe ne yale sa onya obi wa nipa onya dunsini ebia oye herbalist ye won kofo a ahamban duro ye de chom kwa o man kosom musum bia obetuma ko ne nchen sa nipa na onye sofo obekọ ne nchen keke ne wanya yaresa senie sebi Yesu Kristo otumi nse obi ale na otumi nyane ofo bia no ananye bibia no betimi aso bia maye no na adwambomhye ye ka no ana ala ntumi nyama ye nyina no sanso na wokọ eduo so a ye duo na yesom no eye mayanka eye maye dadaada sanso na nya bibia ye hwehwe wo na ye mo ye den omutumi ye enu na ye enim se wo hwe na bosom bi ana bambo bi na oba prehwe from a fetish priest bi ana efie bosom bi mu a do it se wo se ukre mosum na betuma boa wa ma wa ba obra yi a do it because let me tell you something ukristo sum na obeye na be boa wa do it because me ka sem we na akire hwe le max o see wo ye 80s when we say we gina platform bi a condemn Jesus Christ ana when we say we gina platform so edi ayya Muhammad ana dabi ni dia ni say onji bibie ndi say nyankopon bi wo ho asa onu kra de nyankopon no kra nya Jesus Christ ni Allah no hwehwe o say nyankopon ankasa na enu o ye 80s ogusu ye ne ka ogusu travel ne nyoma edi ko planet Pluto and whatever Mars ni nyoma okusu ye na ejuma obo ne bra it recently unu say sheik bi o Saudi Arabia be ye Twitter say it unia onim say that chi bi obekọ hell na oti do kan o se me enya me nko na me ye den me ko hell me ni nkofo to do na be ye den ebekọ wan bam be ya man no after that one could next stage bi anka say you people worshiping God, you are stupid, you are this dabi wan kire ku bia o ship oso onji fribie ndi asa o intimidate obi ai na me nya sure so say obi o ye adwuma ma Elon Musk ni Christopher onim ana Muslims wo they are all there Paul si won jindi asa onyi ye obi a but this is the same guy who said we should use our common sense but you are condemning someone's own no we are counter kire say yes si abosomso ye kwase asem really wow minia se issue ni na me pesa me bisa ne se ye bisa brambomhye se ye nua bema se wo no wo kakra wo kwa obi mu se wo kwakra ne sen ne kwakra ne sen what do you want to me because mo hwe ye this guy he's even contradicting himself big time. He is contradicting himself big time and he is confused but when him say ne nimu nyansa pe ene se bi okita. So me as I am sitting here, I'm telling you, hey, obosum na osuma sum and you be a by force. O sum kremu a sum. Wo sum nyame a sum na sum ni yie. And whatever someone believes in, unbelieving, obi ba online no preach ma Christo, na wo pe Christo afri ho. Obi jina kwa no preach about Allah. Na wo hwe na wo ntie Allah twem enye by force. Obi susu aba na wo kire wo se Christo nye na wo ntie afri ho jai sanipa no nye dia ope. Because for you to come and be talking, because Abraham Bovshe popularity awenya, and then nothing, because he has talked bad about Christians and Muslims, because they're saying there's contradiction in the Bible. Osha live video now, yeah, okasa bebre, and the Bible ni say on yamia ho drobi mu wo ho ni nyoma, but me enye no na me gina so, di obi som emfa me ho, but me asem na ne say, onipa na wo see use common sense no. wo ka kire wo se sabo ho ban menua wo ka kire wo se kope bibi ko fie ne ko bo ho ban enso tam na wo ba no wo be ka kire Ghana fo se yesu ye common sense so wan kire ye se yen ko hwe ye bebia ye free ana ye root ne embo ye ho ban o ende de to de de ni o fie se o bo ne ho ban menua mumma mani enda ho ma wani enda ho age woni pe bi opa ono ane boni bia ye obra bi freely opeso oye ena obeye de ope because mun kan hu se Abraham Moshe na all condemn Christo no tio dan no can say me was station be so not this life or say me mama ka kire me say osua no ni mama say ni mama nyim no no so for bi ka kire say obewo ba ne ba na obewo no oba be ni pa kese pa tie iti chofo na o Yesu Kristo nya no onya kwanhu ade hu anwuma pa wo uba benya beye he onipa na o ka kire wo se endi Yesu Kristo ndi no na contradicted no ni refi se na bra bokra obeba wiase amani maame ahwe ne osofo bi ene ka kire ne maame se wo beye nipa ti nipa nimpon ana obrimpon bi wo wiase ti wo se ne maame ka kire se wonyi yo se obi ka sofo bi ka kire me na se na wo so pesa wo ye ne dia fine the meaning. I'm always saying this. It is not much an insult of what I'm saying here. But me, they make chance say, I'm more being better because obi are any selfish interest at here. Yen nyane be man na okase wo se wo ma wa adwemu da o uyo nipa wo twen a. Asem we no kan da no o. Ti se nipa we se ndi Yesu Kristo ni so before beba wiase kra no. Osobo bi hye ne maame nkom saa. Na wo fi saa nyame n'echi. Question. Ahonhom de wo ho ye gidi but there na wo di ho ahye because at the end of the day they are gods but all the gods they will call the creator it is say ye ne pe and obi no pe no so no on the other smaller gods no be go straight as serve God himself straighter and so ye ntokwa mame fashion to say contradiction the Bible be Muslim but there are some words of it that are good. Are we preaching about it? It's oh yeah, dear. My wife dream and down. Be wise. Me dear met me akanon. Yen ya bear my casenina. I have listened enough. Metie, let me tell you something. Yen ya bear my sen ye no. Yamfa aside say all cassette Christo ana Muslim. But let me tell you something. Sheni Kasemwa is a very gifted and talented man. Nikasemu sisiso. He is a man that he will talk for you to listen. But where Obonsam Urieni nipa o. Ade na wo sa oba wiase beye no. When to me anye ni yi a. Ono obebons obefa ono wode na waye. Se ne opene pepepe. Wa adwen beye o se dia wo ya na wo ye. Yes, Yenya Bema say he is bringing people to the enlightenment, to the awakeness. May they be all kind of bashy politicians now. I listen to him a lot. The all can I pray. But you know something? Then I coming into Christianity. I don't know about the Muslims. As someone and person catch up. You can never please our God with a carnal mind. And yes, spirituality and by faith. The Christopher, the spirituality any faith in your denam dada. Ono no use common sense. Afe no no say spirituality hu hia oso obo ne ho ban. Ebi of listen o nya ban bo no Kristo mu ni alamu. To okope o de fie busu mu a kope. Ti me de me ka che wo na wo fie ni say obi ba na o ka bibi fufuru o kire wa. Listen to the person careful. Some no betima kan betima ye dem. O se bonsam or you deceitful. Obonsam only to me o. But you're deceitful. But me, I'm not calling him Satan. He can never be Satan. He thinks he has known something and he wants people to be awakened about. Because to me with the Bible now, send me account to me hey, but you can send the account and then make us ask me or because okay, you don't use carnal mind to understand the word. Son of Mekan. I am trying to let you know, say, just be wise. and Emma be answering Mbappe na would ye chile precope. Go and ask the ladies who are feminists. Baby, a boomer, I'm a boomer crab house, and no, feminism is scam. To obey the cool be any man. Not only many interest and son all this idea any. Yet the MPP party. See a bit your minus near be scako to come here. Yet the NDC party, and yet Ghana and Kwao, you'll be spinning your to be careful and be wise. And no, and I'm a person missing me catch you. So I have a question maybe say, Abraham Moshe. They say one summer or ranty a okay in an ne crack and say. Which of war, Mama Yeni, and down. So the word to the wise is always enough, and it will always be enough. It will always and always be enough. Ejumeko a so ya say, and you will be ara say need roofing. Need roofing say and fro be a man before o chance so, and I would die I will see a chance do roofing. I all kwanana fromo. Omba before chance so ama come. I hope say when Xposed GH advertisement. You advertise your product ma. For your brand for your number na was here. No need din komo. Ye no din komo na advertise be bo odwa no odwuma no mu dezo ama. Send your open wa poma beto him and you earn a good result. Na aha Xposed GH. On Xposed Trend, I always say we are bringing you the best. Enyan tokwa o. Asem na making tenasi. Na mre. E tenasi am say So nipa no say use common sense, execute spirituality. Na we need use to mu dada na yakase pompae. Ade wa so na okoni yanya akwankyere. Ana kremofom wan kra na ya akwankyere si omo kra kremofom. Common sense means you are not open the Bible. We jai see who the common sense achieve. We jai na me so the common sense achieve. Wise. Me so nipa open the BBI one because obe won say ade bi ba obi wo kro no ni kremokrostosom ne kremosom ne wo issue da o. E na we aba no nkasa ko di echiro. Na nye wo a wo som nyame wo gine mo pintin. He made a statement. Saja Kreja, one said the preacher is not preaching against any man of God. Into also agree yourself. In this life, look for what you want. At the end of the day, will be a religion so or you a choir opens or show young coupon for Saquanas. Miama did you mediate a bromid limo, elegant kwame, amiga. Cassandra, Cassava, Cassabe. I shall forward that and then it is Asia. Bye.
Onyadofo de na wo haw de na wadwendwen de na wo kodan na edan na wasiewie na wo penchensen papa de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo emmeso wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na ene wo mo endi eye kasubo sase wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo womo atum natural things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda